Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to compare the internal ExpressLRS radio transmission module and integrated antenna of the BetaFPV Light Radio 3 Pro, the iFlight Commando 8, the Jumper T Pro and the Radio Master Zorro. First of all, this video is kindly sponsored by ViaWave, a company that specializes in manufacturing prescription lenses for different types of VR goggles. I've been using their prescription lenses for the DJI digital goggles for quite a while now, and I can tell you that I'm extremely happy with their product. I've also had a chance to test their prescription lenses for the Oculus Quest 2. I can tell you that the quality of the product is really good, but unfortunately, due to motion sickness, I wasn't able to fully test their accessories for the Oculus 2 goggles. As for comparing the radios, as done on previous tests that I've conducted, I've used this box that was mounted on my Mavic Air 2 drone, which was restricted to 5.8 GHz in order to prevent any radio interference with the ExpressLRS 2.4 GHz frequency. All the radios were placed on the same position, and I've used this flywheel 2.4 GHz ExpressLRS radio receiver that was mounted on the side of the box. Pay attention that this is not a maximum range test because neither the position of the radio receiver nor the radio transmitter was ideal, but still the test was fair to all the radios, so in my opinion it's a pretty good way to compare different radios. Now without further ado, I'm going to show the side-by-side comparison. By the way, I forgot to mention that I followed the same flight path using my Mavic Air 2 drone, and I think that the big winner of this test is the Radio Master Zorro. Then second and third places belong to the iFlight Commando 8 and the Jumper T Pro, and probably you're not going to be very surprised that the last place belonged to the BetaFPV Light Radio 3 Pro, since it doesn't have an external antenna unlike the rest of the radios. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.